Equipment deals. It is March 19th, 2025. We've got a, we're here in Lufkin, Texas. Got a Hyundai Excavator unit here. Going to give you a quick walk around video and do a little operations for you and let you see it. It's got a Cummins motor. I guess it's a 200 LC excavator here. Decent little undercarriage on it. Good idler. Sprocket's got some life left as well. $200 LC excavator here. Showing 2,094 hours. It's showing 2,094 hours, but not sure that's an accurate or verified meter. Pump's in good condition still, it seems. No excessive, like, spraying out leaks. I'm sure it has some leaks on it of some sort. Undercarriage is decent. The cylinders seem to be pretty tight. I'm not seeing any leaking from the cylinders. No excessive leaking. It does have a manual thumb. It'd be great for grubbing or doing something like that. The pins have got some wear on them. We'll go ahead and come up here and show you Cummins motor. It's got an electronic fuel pump hooked up to it now. That one's seeping a little bit. This one's clean. That one seems to be tight as well. Get you a quick little operations video here, let you see this unit in action.